guys, good morning. The weekend is over, the work week is starting, and the nice weather has returned. Just as if they predicted, as if they wanted this entire weekend to be rainy. Sucks, but yeah, what you gonna do? Anyway, at least now it's nice weather and I will be cooped up in the office all day, as far as I know. Sure hope something will happen that I won't be in the office all day, but yeah, I don't know for now. I don't think so, but yeah, you never know. Anyway, on my way to the office. It's another office day as usual, but today's not so bad, I figure, as I got decent jobs to do today. Yeah, sometimes that happens. Anyway, yeah, on to work. Some people look so silly when they're riding their bike. It's just a shawl, but it looks like they have toilet paper hanging from their armpits. Anyway, the workday is over, so I'm heading down to HQ. As you can see, the weather is not as nice as it was this morning. We had some rain during the afternoon, so yeah, it wasn't a total loss as being a work day instead of a free day regarding the weather. So yeah. I'm tired, guys. Hey there, Mr. Fat Pigeon. Drinking drainage water. Ugh. You dirty, dirty little dove. Yeah. Dirty thing. Wild thing. Anyway, I have arrived. Now let's go inside HQ to Chibi. Hey, Chibi. Hey, cutie. How are you, Chibi? Hey. Tomorrow night we're going to the vet, Chibi. Yeah. For your little tooth here. Yeah. My poor little Chibi. Yeah. Yeah. Cutie? Oh. I just spent the entire evening sorting out fragments from my Japan video from 2002. Yeah, so I might re-edit that video into yeah, chunks of several neighborhoods or city parts, or yeah, whatever you would like to call that. So I did all the sorting for that, and I took the less interesting pieces out. So yeah, I think that should be a nice video, a nice couple of videos, or well, whatever. Anyway, so that was what I did this evening. Yeah, it's now around 11 PM, and I guess that means it's about time to head down to the bedroom and to end today's vlog, of course. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys again tomorrow. Hey, cheerio!